Let me show you how to get this green avatar look. Let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm gonna mix up some Kat Von D foundation. So we're gonna get some of this one. I like this green a lot, and I like to do lighter greens for the foundation. So I'll just mix these two until I like the consistency, and it's gonna take a minute. And if I like the color, then I won't add any more. And if I needed a little bit more green, I'll add some more. Definitely need to add some more. And here we go. We're gonna get this everywheres and try and make it pretty even. And we're not gonna blend it too much either because you want like the full coverage. And it will take a while to get what you need covered. It's actually a little overwhelming when you do it, but once you start seeing the progress, it's not as bad. And you gotta make sure to bring it down to the chest a little bit. It's time for setting powder. And when I say setting powder, I mean like so much you look nuts, okay? Oh, God. Oh, God. Now I have like an old sponge that I'm just gonna use to kind of pat this in. I'm gonna start from the top. That way if anything falls, it falls downwards. We have a decent base on. We are using the Morphe Up Till Dawn Artistry palette, and what we're going to use is this really light green right here. And this is basically going to be used as a highlighter. I find if you use anything but powder on top of this Athena palette, it doesn't go well. So anywhere that you'd highlight or you see that's a little patchy, I'm gonna put this on, and it's gonna kind of give like more of a full coverage, but also definition. So I'm gonna put it right around the eyes quite a bit, just because it did go a little bit patchy there, but that's okay. We're gonna build it up just that way it actually looks good. Put some down the nose as well, kind of right here too. Some right here, and make sure to bring it up too, and get right up in here. Kind of build that up. And it is going to take a minute to build up. That is something you have to realize with this stuff, is it will take a minute. But it's also good to get the eyeshadow on top of it because I find it just can make it a little bit less patchy. Now we're going to dip into this beautiful green right here, and we're going to kind of do like a natural smoke on the eye, just like that, just to kind of give it definition. We're also going to put some kind of like right here, just like a little bit of a cheekbone, if you will. And then we're also going to put this underneath the chin and right here as well. This is going to act like kind of like a little bit of a contour for the chin. Some around the lips, but very faint. Lovely. Now for the nose, what we're going to do is we're going to hold this brush like this, go straight down, and just a little bit of the right here, just for a little contour and definition. We're also going to fill that in later with like a little bit of pink. And just bring it down just a smidgen right here, so it looks like a little bit of contour there, and then just a little bit here. Don't forget the neck. For the lines, we're going to be using this pencil from Annabelle, and I'm going to basically outline the main part here. So I'm going to go right down the middle-ish. And it's okay if it's not perfect because this is going to be an outline. What you do to the other one side, I implore you to do to the other side immediately because it's going to make it easier. And it's okay if it doesn't look perfect right away because it will look better here soon. Oh, it gets nerve-wracking. Lovely. We are doing really good here. And one right here. I want to get the nose done. Anything that we don't like that's not straight enough, we can fix this up. So it's okay if it looks rough right now. Down the neck. Lovely. Lovely. That is perfect for our lines, and we're going to work with these. Take my time and really fix up the lines with this and try and make them look really nice. It's looking cool. Now I'm just going to really like angle up the nose a little bit. Now that all of our lines are drawn and I'm happy with them, we are going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Morphe Gold Seekers palette, and we are going to do the My Hair color because we're not wearing a wig for this. We're going to use My Hair. So I'm just going to color it back into my regular color. And I'm kind of doing like a 2016 brow, so I'm going hard at the arch. So that way they're really recognizable and noticeable because this is heavy makeup anyways. And we're gonna bring it up and forward and really build in that area and then fluff it up so it looks a little bit more natural. Just like that. We're gonna work on some eyeshadow. We're going in with this beautiful one right here with our finger. We're gonna put this directly on our eyelid for some glitz and glam because this is just the most beautiful shimmer ever. I love it. Lovely. A little bit of that on your cheek here as well, so it's like a highlighter and it's just precious, and a little bit right here on the nose, so it's like a highlighter again, and directly down the nose as well. I'll dip in with this one right here and put it directly on the eyelid for a bit more of a dimension. Sharpen your pencil and let's do the tiniest little wing. Lovely. I think that's so beautiful. We're gonna go right here too. Just like that. Now for the nose, I'm gonna go over it with white first, and then we're gonna do a really cute little pink. And now I'm gonna go over it with our sweet little pink here. Now for the lips, we're gonna use this lip liner. Lip liner, I mean eyeliner. Listen to that. Okay, we got the lips lined. Now for the lipstick, I should have a beautiful green. This is a dark money green. That might work. Let's see. I think it will work. I like that. I think that's beautiful. I love it so much. So that worked perfect. Now we're going to use white dots. I'm going to be using Danessa Myricks Lift and some nail art pencils. So, yay. And I implore you, what you do to one side, do to the other right away. That way it kind of matches. And dip often. Alright, so the dots are all done. I'm going to put on some mascara, do my hair, put on the outfit, and I'm going to show you the final look. Let's go! This is the final look with the hair and everything. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!